day everyone. I have a problem with roller blinds. When I lower the roller blinds and then raise them, they start to squint. The distortion is very strong. I lower the roller blinds again. She jumps out of orbit. You experience very great discomfort. How you can solve this problem is very simple. First of all, remove the weight from the chain. We lower the roller blind to the very bottom. Remove the chain disconnector so that the blinds are completely lowered. Next, we help lower the roller blind completely with a screwdriver. Next, I will need construction tape or just tape. I need to cut a piece of tape. Cut a piece of tape. Next, we glue a piece of tape to the opposite place where the tube frame is skewed. And you need to stick a small piece of tape, such a length that the roller blind closes evenly. Next, we put on a plastic chain and insert it into the mechanism from the backside with our hands. Now let's see how the roller blinds open and close. Now we see uniform work. If skew begins on the opposite side of the roller blind, then it is necessary to cut off another piece of tape. Next, install the chain lift limiter using your hands or pliers. The limiter is installed between the links of the chain, in the same way as the second blind. Next, we connect the chain with a special connector. Now the roller blinds work without distortions. Thank you all for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel.